Hi friends, in this particular video, let's understand how to delete a resource group in Azure. Go to your Azure account first. Once you go to Azure account, there is something called all resources and down resource groups. Click on either all resources or resource group, any one. You'll be able to see the list of all resource groups like this. Now you would like to delete a particular resource group. Click on that resource group. Then copy the resource group name. Delete resource group. Just paste the resource group name, delete. Confirm, delete. I repeat, go home or go to top menu, resources. We see the list of resources. Identify whichever resource group you would like to delete. For example, this particular resource group you would like to delete. Or you see all resource groups left side. Click on a particular resource group you would like to delete. Delete resource group, paste the name, delete and delete like this. That's it, you are done. For more such videos, please subscribe and try to share this video to your friends, colleagues and well-wishers. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.